Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about how to solve the issue when your iPhone stops charging at 80%. A lot of people are saying their iPhone starts charging slow or stops completely once it hits that 80% mark. Let's fix that. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips. First up, turn on airplane mode. If your iPhone gets hot while charging, the software slows or stops charging to protect the battery. So just swipe down and turn on airplane mode. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes and see if the charging speed improves. Still slow but your phone's not hot? Then go into settings, then battery, then tap battery health and charging. Here you will find optimized battery charging. If this is turned on, your iPhone may pause charging at 80% to reduce battery aging. You can turn this off if you want faster charging to 100%. But keep in mind, turning it off too often can reduce long-term battery health. So that's it. If your iPhone is not charging or charges very slow after hitting 80%, try airplane mode first, then check your battery settings. Hope this helped. Drop a like if it did, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.